Hello everybody, it's your friendly neighborhood Canadian Spider-Man here again. Yeah, I just have a fire going in my hot tent there, and it's a beautiful sunny day, so I thought I'd share it a bit with you. Yeah, I'm optimistic. It's a beautiful day, and I think there's reason to be optimistic with just from what I've been seeing. I've been watching a lot of YouTube, a lot of live streams, a lot of just average people with a camera filming what's going on around the country. And man, it's really good to see. I think Canadians are perhaps being optimistic and uniting together in a way that I haven't seen in a long time, and it's fantastic. I'm thrilled at all the positivity and just unity and sense of love that's being shown everywhere, on all over the place on live streams. Just people walking around Ottawa, walking around different parts of the country, and the camera shows it all like it's live, it's unedited, and it's fantastic. People of all persuasions, people of all races and colors and shapes and sizes, you name it. Everyone's out there, and they're all saying the same thing. You know, basically freedom. Freedom. It's on all the signs. It's everyone is saying the same thing. We want to be free. It doesn't matter what race or gender or lack of gender they are. They're all saying the same thing, you know, and it's great to see. And I know that there are, I mean, shit, you put 10 Canadians in a room, one of them's gonna, you know, disagree, of course. That's the way it is, and that's their right. You know, I'll champion the right of anyone to say whatever they want, as long as it's, you know, as long as it's applied equally right across the board. And it's funny, a lot of the stuff that you would have been, people were booted off the internet for saying, and it was labeled as misinformation just a few months ago. Things like, statements like, if you get vaccinated, you can still catch COVID. Okay, that was labeled as misinformation. Not very long ago, people got canceled for saying that. And now, it's a stated fact. No one denies it. All right, and there's other examples too. And that's just not the way to go. We can't be shutting down some people and not others. Science is about questioning. Follow the science. Well, what is science? I know, I've studied it. Science is asking questions of both, you know, in this case, of both sides, of all the sides, asking questions. So I'm really optimistic. Canadians are starting to see that what they're being told by their leaders is not accurate, to say the least. I think it's intentional, absolutely, bordering on hate speech, if not indeed hate speech. When your prime minister says that people who are unvaccinated won't be tolerated, and they take up space, and they're misogynists and they're racists and they don't believe in science, well, that's holy shit. If that's not hate speech, that's real close. I think he should be held accountable for saying those things. Outright lies. CBC reporting all the, you know, incidents and violence. No. The mainstream media says reports of violence. Okay, show us a video. There are cameras everywhere. There's no way that's not on video. What I have seen of the countless hours of people live streaming in Ottawa, what I have seen is bouncy castles. I've seen people hugging and cheering of all colors, of all sizes, of all persuasions. I've seen hockey, street hockey break out, and I've seen people hugging and smiling and being so positive. And yeah, we don't agree on everything. Okay, great. And it's way beyond just the truckers now. Way beyond the truckers. This is about all Canadians being united, being positive and being united together. We've got, you know, there's some things we need to be critical of. And there's some things that need to be changed in this country. We need to start following the Constitution. You know, let's give that a try. Holy shit. None of these measures or mandates have seen the light of day on a parliament floor. For 2 years now, it's no longer an emergency. The definition of emergency is temporary, unusual. This is 2 years now. Come on. No. Anyway, I just wanted to say, it's a beautiful day, beautiful tent, beautiful wood stove going. I'm optimistic, and I just want to say, if you hear reports of violence, if you hear reports of racists down at this rally, this peace rally, show us the videos. And then look at the videos nonstop of everyday people recording just the amount of love and goodwill from everyone down at the rally. I mean, that's just amazing. So don't believe the lies and demand, we're at a stage now, we're demanding receipts. I want to see the proof. Prime Minister Trudeau, all these accusations flying around and name calling, show us the receipts. I haven't seen. The only videos I've seen are of happy Canadians being united. All right, neighbors, have a good day. I think it's going to be looking up from here on in. See ya.